Welcome to a journey through the cosmos, where we uncover the secrets of cosmic energy meditation. This practice is rooted in the belief that the universe is brimming with vibrant energy, an energy that can be harnessed and used to replenish our own. Cosmic energy meditation is a conduit, a pathway that allows us to connect with this infinite source and bring it into our daily lives. Now, how does one tap into this cosmic energy? It's a process, a journey that unravels with time and patience. It's not an immediate transformation, but rather an evolution that unfolds in measured, deliberate steps, each one crucial overall progression. It's about embracing the journey and not rushing towards the destination. It's about nurturing your mind, body, and soul, and learning to harmonize with the natural rhythms of the universe. Firstly, find a serene location, an environment that allows you to disconnect from the constant hustle and bustle of everyday life. This could be a quiet corner of your home, a secluded spot in a park, a tranquil beach, or a serene forest. The location itself is not as important as the sense of peace it imparts. It should be a place where distractions fade into insignificance, where the chatter of the world is silenced, and you can hear your own thoughts. A place where tranquility reigns supreme, where you feel safe, secure, and disconnected from the worries of the world. This is the place where the journey begins, the initial step in tapping into the cosmic energy. It is here, in this tranquil sanctuary, that the mind becomes free to roam the cosmos. The stillness of the surroundings acts as a blank canvas, allowing your mind paint vivid images and emotions, unhindered by the noise of the outside world. It is in this sanctum of peace that the mind becomes a vessel, ready to receive the cosmic energy that permeates the universe. Next comes the physical aspect of the process. Assume a comfortable position that promotes relaxation, yet maintains alertness. This could be a simple cross-legged pose on a cushion, sitting upright on a chair, or even reclining on a mat. The key is to keep the spine erect, yet relaxed. This posture helps in maintaining focus and prevents the mind from drifting. It creates an open conduit for the energy to flow freely, unimpeded by physical discomfort or tension. Once you've established a steady posture, close your eyes and turn your focus inwards. This is not simply a physical act, but a conscious shift in awareness. It's choosing to disconnect from the external world and connect with the internal realm. Next, take slow, deep breaths, allowing them to fill your lungs completely before exhaling gently. The inhalation and exhalation should be slow and measured, a rhythm that mirrors the ebb and flow of the cosmos. This deliberate rhythm of breath is not merely an act of respiration, but a means of synchronization with the pulse of the universe. Each breath connects you deeper with the cosmic energy, strengthening your link with the universe. The process of tapping into cosmic energy is not a passive act. It requires focus, patience, and practice. It's a journey that transforms not just your mind, but your entire being. It opens doors to new realms of understanding, propelling you on a voyage of self-discovery and spiritual growth. This is the beginning of the connection, the first thread that links you to the universe. Discovering this connection to the universe opens a wellspring of wisdom and serenity. It imbues you with a sense of belonging to something grander, a cosmic tapestry, woven from the threads of energy that bind everything in the universe. The journey is unique for each individual, and the destination is just the beginning of another journey. This is the beauty of tapping into cosmic energy. It's an exploration of the self, the cosmos, and the profound connection between the two. This connection is the essence of existence, the spark that ignites the grandeur of the universe within each of us. After attuning to your breath, visualize a radiant energy descending from the cosmos, permeating your being. This energy is pure, healing, and rejuvenating. It fills every cell, every fiber of your being, washing away fatigue, stress, and negativity. This visualization is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process, a pulsating rhythm that aligns you with the cosmic energy. Finally, as you conclude your meditation, take a moment to express gratitude. Gratitude for the energy received, for the connection established, and for the tranquility experienced. To recap, the journey of cosmic energy meditation begins with finding a serene location and assuming a comfortable posture. The next steps involve deep breathing, visualization of cosmic energy, and finally, expressing gratitude. This practice is a powerful tool to rejuvenate the mind, body, and spirit. It allows for a deeper connection with the universe, a bond that transcends the physical plane. Cosmic energy meditation is not just a practice, but a way of life, a pathway to inner peace and radiant energy. And so, the journey continues, a journey through the cosmos, a journey within that will lead you to the ultimate level of success, happiness, and peace. And as always, have a great day, dear winners.